All right, this is from last week. You can see that, what Steven's trying to do here is just kind of give you some different looks and then still see how your mechanics hold together. And you can see that even, that ball is coming from really, like this one's coming from way up. You're keeping your balance and you're waiting. And then you're not altering your mechanics, which is what that drill is all about. You're doing a good job on making good decisions on, the two seam, four seam approach, and that comes from being just a quick thinking type individual, being able to make decisions. When you're early in the count, it's all about being aggressive and it's all about making good decisions. Pitchers are going to try to get you to chase and get you to make bad decisions. And so what staying back is going to help you do. And we were talking about this where you kind of wait back and then you just kind of react really quick instead of a real slow thing, real kind of slowing things down and kind of getting into your foot a little bit more. It does allow you to handle pitchers that are pretty average. I want you to go ahead and get more into your foot, just a little bit more, reading the ball. It's like chewing gum and walking at the same time. You're reading the ball as you're getting into your foot, then you're making decisions to really step on the gas or to keep your front side closed if it's an off-speed pitch. What I mean by stepping on the gas, if I throw a fastball, you're geared up for that pitch. Everything's geared up off the fastball. So you're looking fastball, and reading the pitch as you get into your front foot. You're strong enough right now to where you can kind of wait back. And the reason I paused that video right there and turned black was this was a transition after we discussed that, getting into your front foot. You're going to be a better hitter if you prepare better in the box. And what I mean by that is, right now you're not in the most athletic position you can get into. And what I mean by getting into a more athletic position is to turn your toes in. That way when you do see a fastball coming, you're ready. And then when you see a curveball coming, instead of as the pitch is coming, you're opening up to hit the ball, you're staying closed as you get into your foot. Stay closed as you get into your front foot, because what happens on these curveballs, you get fooled sometimes because you're opening up your front shoulder as you start getting into your front foot, and that's not going to serve you real well. So what I'm saying is, when you get into your front foot, stay closed. That way that when the ball starts spinning and you memorize that if it comes right at your hands, you know that it's going to come back over the plate if it's a curveball. So anyway, I wanted to get this video to you, and look fastball, hit the curve with 2 strikes.